In this video, we will see information about multi-spindle drilling machine, that is gang drilling machine. A multi-spindle drilling machine or gang drilling machine consists of several individual columns, drilling head and spindle mounted on a single base and utilizing a common table. Various number of spindles may be used, but 6 and 4 are common. For single spindle drilling machine and its parts, I have made already one video. You can check from here, or the link is given in description. This attachment is connected with main spindle using tapered collet press fit chuck. For making more rigid, this bracket is used for extra support so that the less vibration will occur. As you can see here, this attachment consists of upper plate and lower plate made up of MS sheet and of 20 mm thickness. Here we use spur gear arrangement between two plates to get rotation moment for each individual spindle axis. These two upper and lower plate are held together using side C clamps. The side C clamps are bolted with each other. These ideal gears are used to change the direction of rotation, because all three spindle axes should be rotate in same direction. That is, in this case, it is rotating clockwise. The ball bearings are used at each end of the shaft, and it is located within the upper and lower plate. As the main spindle start rotating, it rotates the whole assembly because all gears are engaged with each other.